just want to leave you guys a little case study for the premium product working for me. My solar eclipse glasses, they're on average they're selling for about $2 a piece with everybody in the market. And then I came in and I made these goggles that were premium. I solved the problem. There was light coming in between in the eyes and with everybody else's, and so I solved that problem, made the best eclipse viewers, and then as a result I was able to charge $30 for my goggles where everybody else was charging $2 for the glasses, and people were eating it up. And I got to the top of page 1. I was doing like 500 sales a day on those without any PPC, without any launches, anything. It was just, I had that best premium product, and I got so many emails just full of love from people because I had provided the best product for them, invented it, and everybody was happy. So there is always that, when you have that premium product, everything that I outlined in this video, it comes true. So hope that you guys have a premium product. Okay, so when you are going for private label, I suggest that everybody makes a premium brand, and these are the reasons why. So the number one reason is perceived value, okay? People will give something like more value just because it is priced higher. They will think that it is worth more and it's the absolute best. It may not always be, but you're just going to have a more lustrous feeling and whatnot when people are going for that. And then on the backside of that is what I've learned is there is always a market for the rich. So where I am at in my life situation now, I used to pinch pennies on everything, but now I just buy the highest quality, which I normally equate to just the highest price. So if something is worth more, it's getting more of my attention now and more likely for me to buy than if something's cheap. Like if something is cheap and at the way bottom, I'm like, I don't know about this. So just know that there are people out there, and there's thousands and thousands of people out there in society that want premium products. I mean, if you look, the average salary of the Amazon Prime member, I believe it's over $70,000. I mean, there's a very wealthy class that is buying on Amazon in the United States. So you guys definitely take this into account. And the nice other things about having a premium brand, you're going to be getting a lot better reviews because you're making the best product for your market, okay? Now, it's going to be really easy to get good reviews if you have the best product. All right, it's like, wow, this was the best to solve whatever need. All right, so we've got that, and people won't mind leaving a review because they're actually happy that they got the best product. All right, they made the decision to go with you, be the best, pay the most. So that is good with that. And then, if you're going with cheap products, you're competing on price, it's going to be hard to keep that, 4.5, 5-star reviews. Those are going to be tough to get. So we have that, and then at the end of the day, I guess, there's one more. You're going to have higher margins with a premium product that's higher priced because, maybe, you add $1 or $2 more, but you're able to charge $5 to $7, $10 more for your product, and now you have more money for ads, okay? And for giveaways, wherever you're going to do it, you can just really put a lot more into branding. And then the other part of that is when you have higher margins, that means your ROI is also going to be higher. So you're going to have much more cash flow free. So you're going to be able to grow faster as well. I guess what I would like to say is I'd rather be selling $1,000, or I would rather be selling 10 units at $10 profit, or I'd rather be selling 100 units at $10 profit than 1,000 at $1 profit. Just in theory, because just the slightest change in that one guy could lose half his income, okay? But we're probably not going to go from 100 sales down to 50, but that one guy, just the littlest thing can really tweak his profitability. So I like to have those margins, have a premium product that I'm proud of, and knowing that I can build my brand, then knowing, hey, they had this great experience with me. Now I can add more products, and they had that wonderful experience. That's the way to go on mine. And because at the end of the day, the last point, you're proud of it, and you want to be proud of what you're doing. I mean, at the end of the day, we're here to, some people are here to make money, but at the end of the day, I'm here to make change in this world and do something great. You don't just want to be a copycat. Me Too product, just doing some arbitrage and making money. I mean, you can if you want, but eventually move towards providing real value and adding to this world is, I think, what the goal we should all be working towards is. So I hope that you guys do choose to go with the premium product and help solve some needs that aren't being solved.